Hello. Today I'll be talking about that little video you just watched and an explanation as to why it does what it does. Okay. Um First you have to realize that matter is never created nor destroyed, and neither is energy. You know the phrase taking someone's picture? Well, it's not so much a phrase, because when you take someone's picture, you really do take something from them. Now, um, you see, when they recorded that electron, well, first I have to talk about pictures. When you record someone's picture, you have one or two options. Either you can emit light towards them, which is flash photography, and record the light that bounces back from their face. So that's an interfering light that bounces back from their face, and which would interfere with their wave pattern of their face. Or you can option B. You can have a non-interfering camera, essentially a robbing camera that only accepts incoming waves, essentially stealing waves from the source. Now let's apply that to an electron. An electron is very small. It doesn't have much energy to give. And that recorder, the observer, it would have two options. The first option would be send out interfering waves, which would bounce back and record the electron, like a flash photography sending out light to get the light to reflect back and record that reflected light. And option B, a non-interfering camera which only accepts incoming waveforms. But when you actually think about it, both of these interfere with the electron, because the electron has hardly any energy to give. And if your receiving camera takes away that energy from the electron, that's still going to interfere with the electron. And of course, if you send out waves to the electron, then that's also going to interfere. So whether or not your observer actively sends out waves or just steals waves, it still interferes with the electron. And of course, there's a third option, that they just botch the experiment entirely. So, just those are my theories, and get back to me if you like them or not.